All right, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. This is SE Custom Designs, and if it's the first time you're watching my videos, I want to welcome you and thank you. This is my side job, SE Custom Designs. Me and my wife have this lovely channel business where I do woodworking and she does all kinds of wonderful things with cloth and this and that and the other. Please visit our Facebook, SE Custom Designs. You'll see some of the things there. That's now become our main way of showing off our things. My website is no longer a thing because apparently those are not as trendy as they used to be. Enough of that, but appreciate it if you subscribe, if you like what you see, and give us a thumbs up and leave your comments. So what are we looking at here? These are bandsaw boxes. I literally punched all of these out, roughed them out in one day. And I've made a lot of bandsaw boxes here at SE Custom Designs. You may be saying, if you're not familiar with a bandsaw box, how is this a box? Well, essentially what you do is you take a block of wood. Let's just try to find a block of wood. I guess I've been really productive because my blocks of woods are turned into things. For example, this would be your real basic block of wood that you would could make a bandsaw box out of, and that would be that. Then I make dragons, and you can see I put a drawer down here, still in the rough. All kinds of dragons, different styles, whatever. So that's what you do. I'm sorry that I'm swinging fast in the wood shop. Now I made this some time ago. We just had a craft show and I sold 4 bandsaw boxes, by the way. And all this is joined up 2-bys. And then we cut out the drawers. And it's all cut out from itself. This is a very popular bandsaw box because, as you can see, it splits apart like this. So they can be bookends or sold separately. That being said, I decided to experiment with these types of styles. I now have bookends here. So that was pretty cool to make. So that's this example. I don't know what they're going to be called. This here apparently looked like a rabbit. So that's what that's going to be. Got 2 drawers in there, 3 drawers in these guys. This here, we're going to be opposing also bookends, but I decided in the end I was just going to glue them together. And so he's made up of 2-bys and oak. My new phone, I'm sorry, with my new phone, I don't know how to get it off of Zoom. It defaults to Zoom 1 and Zoom 2. So that's what this is. This is quite sturdy and solid there. And keep in mind that the design and style for these are still underway. For example, I think I'm going to take this and maybe round it over a little bit. These are real popular to sell. So this here is more of a what you would get out of that. Okay, a 4x4. So, yep, that's that one there. Then I made a real funky one. I don't know what this means. Kind of looks like a moose. So that's what that is. And this guy, he's very unique. Look at the shape on that. And again, this is just 1x12 pine joined up. And what I do is I let the pine and the grain choose what it is that it's going to become. And so this was just leftover pine that I had lying around, and I just joined up different sizes, as you can see. Just joined them up. I went out and I purchased some 2x12, and I'll be cutting them out at 14 inches. 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 sets of bandsaw boxes will come out of that. And so that's the deal. This is just a quick video. Once again, I want to apologize for moving around so quickly. I'm on my lunch hour, and for here at SC Custom Designs, I'm a QA software guy in the daytime. Lunchtime, which it is now, I'm quickly going away. Evenings and weekends, I'm in my wood shop because I love just making things. If it's the first time you're watching my channel, I encourage you to look back in time, and you'll see all kinds of bandsaw boxes. I made about 5 or 6 and took them to the show, added them to the other ones that I made from previous years. I'm pretty sure this is what I'm going to be doing in my wood shop for the rest of my life. Looking around for a book that I bought for bandsaw boxes, and I apologize I can't find it, but they started off making little bandsaw boxes, and they decided to make a career of it with their business. And while I'm going to do other things, because I like to diversify, I'm looking for my card. Oh, here it is. So here on SC Custom Designs, you can see this. If I flip it around, I made that unit there, coffee table. It's really a card coffee table out of a drop leaf recovered table. And so the client came to me and asked me if I could turn that into that, and I did. Love challenges. Look up the video on the Works, Worldwide Environmental Regulatory Compliance Systems, a software company. I took their old sign and made the top glass, 68 pounds of glass, the top of a unit as well for their office. And that was a lot of fun to make. Okay, so, I haven't done a lot of videos lately, so I thought I'd get something out today to show you. Okay, so real quickly in review, I've got mirrored units here, a one-off here. Was going to be a mirrored unit, but I made it one. Repeats of these types of styles. Mr. Moose, I guess I'm going to call him. And this will be Dr. Seuss style. All right, thanks again. Really would appreciate it if you haven't subscribed to subscribe to my channel. We love to interact with you guys. And we're going to be doing a giveaway. We did a giveaway in 2020, and now we'll do a giveaway in 2021. We're going to do a giveaway. Sorry for the panning and turning. We're going to be giving away this mini mag. All right, all you'll have to do is pay for the shipping. My very first giveaway was quite the success, and somebody in the United States won that unit. You forget what it was, but yeah, I just can't remember. All right, thank you for watching. Take care. I'm going to do our usual goodbyes in Hebrew. In other languages, Shalom Uvracha lechaverim sheli ba'aretz Israel. Goodbye to my friends in Israel. Mastalami. Goodbye in Arabic. Tutsins. Afrikaans. Goodbye. Zaijian is Mandarin, mainland China or Taiwan. And arrivederci. Take care. God bless. Stay safe in your wood shops. Keep the creativity going.